fold a paper airplane. So you want an 8 by 11 inch piece of paper, white and thin. So first, what you want to do is you want to put it up at this crease. Well, you crease it right here. You put it up at try to match up these the corners and this side with this side as best as you can. And then you keep, just fold this out until it's about flat. Then you turn it back. If you turn it back over, you will do this. You would fold it like this. Try to get it on your best crease.
Yeah.
Then so you can barely see the crease right there, but it's right there. And then you fold it on that crease. You fold this one like right next to it. It'll be like matching up a little bit. So basically, it will look like this. And so after this, you go, oh God, my thing's getting blurred out. So then you fold this, you fold it over, like onto this piece of paper. And you want to match this crease right here. You can't really see it. But the crease, there it is, right here. This crease. So then you straighten this out. So what you do, it'll look like this. A little, yeah. And then after, you take this corner and you fold it on to this crease right there. And then you just flatten that out. So after you fold it right here, you take this crease and you do the same thing. Yeah. So basically, you should have a little corner popping out. It should look like this, and do it like, yeah. And so what you do after this crease right here, it should fold along perfectly like this. You should flatten that out. And you do this, you flatten it out like that. And then you do the same thing to the other side. And take this, flatten out onto this crease. And you could sometimes this will be a little wobbly right here. So you think you might want to push it in. Then you do that. It's a little hard. Then you have yourself a paper airplane. And the paper airplane that I was making right now, this one I made earlier. It was a lot better because I actually took my time on it. And I made this one. And that was the one that we flew first. And the beginning where we flew both of them. This one flies up to about 50 to 100 feet. And this one, which we're going to make right now, we're going to make after this. This flies up to 100 feet guaranteed. And that one's a world record paper airplane. That is amazing. That one we're going to be making next, this sheet of paper. This is definitely harder because the folds are a lot harder to make. We're going to make the next paper airplane. Same sheet of paper. You need 8 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Same thing. You want to put it, hold on. I need to see this. Here we go. You need to put it, my dog's,
Lola!
Lola!
Stop trying to get,
Oh no.
that was Lola.
So yeah, that was my dog Lola. You might have seen her in the cutest puppy ever video. And so you have to you fold it hot dog way. And then what you want to do is you want to fold it back like this, and then you go like right here. Let's see, there it go. So you want to do it. Hold on, I got a bad angle here. You want to match it up right on the center crease here. There we go. And then you want to match this one up on the same center crease. This is the easy part.
Hello.
If you leave a little space right here, that's fine. It doesn't make any difference. So when you finish doing that, you might want to do this, which you want, if you can see, this crease right here, you want it to match up with this crease. You can't really see this crease because it's blended in, and this crease, oh, there's Lola. This is blended in.
Help.
And then, so you take this corner.
Stop it, Chewy. Stop.
Chewy, stop. So you take this crease and you put it on this crease right. Oh, you put this flap and you put it on this crease right here. So now your airplane should look like this. The next thing you do is you do the same thing to the other side.
Oh, stop, Chewy. Stop it. Stop it, Chewy.
You want to try to match it up.
Chewy, stop it.
The same. You want to try to match up
Stop
the
it, Chewy.
same thing.
Stop it.
And right there. If you guys didn't see that, because you might not, you take this flap right here and you put it down. There. So if you should see this under all this. So after you do this, you just simply turn it around. In this crease, you want to flatten it out. After you do that, you fold this right here. It's kind of like the other plane that we did in this video. And you do the same exact steps. Like you fold it to here.
Stop it, Chewy.
But instead of just leaving it like this, you fold it a second time. That's the only difference. Hold on. You want to hit a little harder. It's going to be, this is the hardest part. You might want to push this in. So, this is going to be the hardest part. And so, you want to turn it around and do the same exact thing. Oh, this might pop out. You just need to fix that. You should be left with this little flap. So next thing you do is make sure you keep this shut. And you flip it over. Then go right here and you just squash it while you fold this paper. So now you basically what you do is you do the same exact thing. Like I said, this is going to be hard too. After this is the last and final step. The hardest step's always like the last. It's gonna pop out a little bit, but then you just need to squish it. You need to keep squishing it. It's like doing surgery. After you do that, you have yourself, you just flatten this out and you have yourself a nice thin paper airplane. This one goes about 100 feet, guaranteed. And thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in our next video. Bye!